Hello everyone, my name is Avi Fine, and after 17 years of being a locksmith here in the West Rogers Park neighborhood in Chicago, I decided to get out of the basement and open a shop. So here I am at 2912 West Devon to service the community on a more stationary location versus being mobile and coming out to your houses only. Now you can also come to me, to my location. So we have here a full shop, locksmith shop that's ready for any of your repairs, whether you need car keys, house keys, commercial keys. You can take advantage of our ASA restricted keyway if you're looking for high security cylinders. So call me at 773-569-1770 and let me show you a little bit how the shop looks like. So as you saw, this is our key wall. Thousands of key blanks being prepared to any of your key situations. This is my work area, pinning station. Like I said, I've been around since 2007 here in Rogers Park. This is the machine lineup. Point of sale. All of the proper certifications are right here on the wall. Keychains, color keys, sports keys. Here at Fine Lock and Key, 773-569-1770, 2912 West Devon, Chicago, Illinois. See you soon.